In today's video, we will be comparing two popular portable washing machines, the BLACK+DECKER 0.9 CU Fort Portable Washer and the WonderWash. We'll explore their features, specifications, and what makes each of them unique. Whether you're looking for convenience or a budget-friendly option, this comparison will help you make an informed decision. When it comes to capacity, the BLACK+DECKER model offers a larger capacity of 6.6 pounds, making it suitable for bigger loads. In contrast, the WonderWash has a smaller capacity of 5 pounds, which may be ideal for lighter laundry tasks or delicate items. If you frequently wash larger loads, the BLACK+DECKER might be the better choice. The BLACK+DECKER washer is electric, providing the convenience of multiple wash cycles and automatic operation. On the other hand, the WonderWash is a manual, non-electric machine that requires hand cranking. While the WonderWash is more energy efficient and portable, it may not be as convenient for users who prefer a more automated washing experience. In terms of price, the BLACK+DECKER washer is significantly more expensive at $249, while the WonderWash is much more affordable at just $55. This price difference reflects the features and convenience offered by each machine. If budget is a primary concern, the WonderWash provides a cost-effective solution, especially for those who don't need the advanced features of the BLACK+DECKER. In conclusion, both the BLACK+DECKER 0.9 CU Fort Portable Washer and the WonderWash have their strengths and weaknesses. The BLACK+DECKER is perfect for those who need a larger capacity and automated features, while the WonderWash is ideal for budget-conscious users looking for a portable, manual option. We hope this comparison helped you decide which portable washer is right for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.